Thank you for choosing Lauderdale BMW. My name is Nick, a BMW technician. I've been assigned to your vehicle. Currently performing your oil service at this time, and as well as a multi-point inspection on your vehicle. Starting off at the rear, inspecting all your rear suspension components, making sure there are no signs of any defects in any of the suspension components. Everything here looks pretty good. Tires on the vehicle very good as well, measuring around 8.5, 30 seconds. Very good, well above spec. That passes inspection. As well as the brakes. Can't show you with the rim design, but brakes are measuring about 11 millimeter, both front and rear. Front suspension. Everything here looks good. Engine and transmission. Looking good. Everything here looks pretty good, free from defects. Alright. And obviously the front tires are good. These are measuring around 9-30 seconds. Alright. You also had a concern about at times the driver front headlight appears to be condensated, I believe. Alright. Depending on some environmental conditions, this may happen, and if it is not dissipated quickly by the lights itself in the headlight, then there is a defect within the headlamp itself. But it appears that it has dissipated that condensation, so appears to be fine. Now if it does continuously to come back, then we have an issue, but as of right now, not much I can do. I can just document it, and like I said, if it is a concurrent problem and it is continuously happening, then we'll move further with that. But as of right now, it appears to be okay, so unfortunately I can't move forward with that. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the service.